Hey everyone, so it's a few days before Christmas and just trying to get some paintings done. Just wanted to show you some upcoming things before we get to the one that we're going to be working on. Started playing around with that PBO, GDO stuff again, making cute little coasters, and I'm loving the way the metallic's coming across. I don't know if you can see the blue undertones or any of the cells very well, but I do have photos of them posted on my Instagram. Another one I started working on. This cute little carrot. Just make something fun, make something different. Next video that we're going to be working on tomorrow is another stone coat countertop video, so stay tuned for that. I will be using all 4 of the colors that I have, plus the COLORSHIFT Aqua. And we will be using these boards right here. I actually got these boards from Target in the dollar section, and I decided to paint the rims with gold. I also sealed all the edges, so when we do that. And this is from that textural piece, that tape. So I'll show everyone what I do with the tape, but we'll see this in the next video. And as you can see, yay! Today we are going to be working on this little stocking. We're just going to do a paint pour onto it. Something simple tonight, nothing too elaborate. And sticking in that holiday mood, just coming in and doing a happy holiday themed pour. Might be easier just to take this off actually. Thought we would do 2 little cups, one a reddish theme, and then one with whites and silvers to try to do right across here. I'll just do a ribbon pour. So we're going to start off with a flip cup, the best we can on here. And no, I'm just going to do 2 ribbon pours. This is going to get messy. Let me get some gloves and I'll be right back. Okay, so I have the cups sprayed down with the silicone spray. I got our colors pulled aside. I'm going to be using the LUKAS CRYL Silver, the LUKAS CRYL Silver Bronze, and the LUKAS CRYL Titanium White in the small cup. And then we're going to be mixing some of the white in with these mixtures. So this one is a COLORSHIFT Red Flash. These 2 were Sherwin colors. I reused apple barrel bottles, but one was Elizabethan Crimson and the other one was Real Red. And then we have LUKAS CRYL Copper and Deco Art Metallics Rose Gold. So let's start off with a little bit of white. White always seems to take over. let's get to pouring. That actually made like the perfect little area, so I know where I'm going to pour this one back and forth. But let me wipe my hands off real quick. And here we go. So again, I'm going to try to follow that area right here. I'm just going to keep going back and forth. Alright, so there's quite a lot of noise going on in the background right now, but let me torch this real quick and see if any cells pop up, because I can see a lot after I stretched it. I think I'm happy with that. Well, that's it for tonight. Stay tuned for those upcoming resin pieces and more of the tiles that we will be making. And I will see you guys in the next video.